clicked on today's video, then that means you want to take your Shopify store to the next level, and you have been wondering about marketing and what are the best way you can actually start marketing your store. What are some of the most efficient way to start your marketing store? And also, what are actually the biggest marketing strategy you can actually use to have the biggest return? Well, if I am correct, then you need to stick around until the end of this video so you can get all your questions answered. Because in today's video, I am going to cover the top 5 ways that you can actually start marketing your Shopify store. So let's get into it. So just to make things clear from the beginning, the method that I am going to share with you, they don't mean that you're going to have a huge return by tomorrow. These methods are actually going to take some time and will require some practices and a bit of work. And by the end of the day, if you do these things correctly and start marketing your store correctly, then you can pretty much start seeing maybe your first sales starts rolling into your store. So all I want to say is you need to be patient and follow through your marketing strategy. Don't give up. If you see a certain method doesn't work, try switching up to something else. Just don't give up. And with that being said, let's jump in today's video. So let's start with the first marketing strategy, optimizing your SEO. So this is absolutely crucial, and for those who don't know what SEO is, SEO is a search engine optimization, and what this means is actually how well you're actually ranking on Google, or how well your page ranks on Google. So have you ever Googled something and find your answers maybe within the first 3 to maybe the first 3 links? Well, that is exactly this is. People tend to go to Google to search certain questions or certain subjects or certain topics. And the aim of this is that you will want your page to come up first. And of course, the goal is to be on the first page of the Google, not on the second page. Because I personally, when I search for something on Google, I don't go on the second page, but on the first page. And I am sure as well, this goes same to you. So let's aim to be on the first page of Google because nobody goes on the second page. So one of the first strategy you need to do is start implying some proper SEO. But the question is, how do you do it? Well, this can be a little bit complicated, but there is definitely a lot of different ways and a lot of different tools to make it a lot easier. Okay, number 1 is to use keywords in your description as well as in your titles. Use keywords that you want to rank for, and of course you want to rank for what people are actually searching for. So, for example, if someone is Googling how I fix or treat my ankle fracture, and let's say you are selling some ankle stabilizer or medical walking boots, well, in your description or your title, you might want to implement these different keywords. Start putting something that has to do with ankle problems and something like how it can actually maybe help with certain conditions. And this is what Google will actually looking for when users ask these kind of questions. The next marketing strategy is implement social media. So on this step, you need to implement some social media strategy, and this is very important. And if you're not using social media, what are you doing? Because you are missing out a lot. You're missing out a lot of sales on your business and as well as so much exposure. Your business needs some exposure. Most people nowadays go to social media to validate their purchases, to look for a review, and to even look up for different links on people's profile. So if you're not using social media, you are absolutely killing your business. So how can you start using social media? Well, for one, you need to develop a lot of strategy that is going to revolve around your product. So try to make a post either on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Try to make posts that people can actually relate to. So going back to the medical walking book, you can put up a simple post talking about issues regarding ankle fracture and a few ways that can actually relieve them. Same goes for the videos. You can make a videos that talks about the same issues, and on that note, you can actually talk the benefit of your product. So pretty much all in all, make sure all your posts solve some sort of problem and make it clear at the beginning, so that way when the viewers sees it, they will automatically relate to it, and they will also stick to the entire thing and probably purchase your product. And the bonus point, simply add some social proof, reviews or testimonials, because social proof is absolutely everything, and when people sees positive review, they will likely go to your website and make a purchase. The next method is email marketing. So a lot of people think this method is dead, but let me tell you, it is absolutely not dead at all. So the easiest way to use this marketing strategy is to collect a lot of different emails from your website visitors, and the easiest way you can get these people's email is to offer something in return. Maybe give them something free, a special discount on a product, or maybe on a future order. Pretty much any incentive that you offer, people are going to be trading their emails for. So let me ask you a question. How many times have you gone into a website and the first thing that pops up is the website telling you put your email here for maybe 10 or 20% off? I am sure you have seen this on tons of websites, and of course some of the biggest websites, big businesses, they do implement this feature. For example, go to maybe Adidas, Foot Locker, Nike, Sephora, etc. You will see that they are implementing email marketing. So there is a reasons of why they are actually doing this, and that is because this method actually works. And the same goes to you. You can do it. So go ahead, if you don't have email marketing on your website, go ahead and start implementing this. Next is paid ads. So when it comes to paid ads, there are two amazing platforms that are absolutely doing well, and that is Facebook and TikTok. So just if your business is not actually on TikTok, then you are absolutely missing out on a huge demographic. When it comes to actually marketing your products on TikTok or Facebook ads or even Google ads, there are things that can go into this. That is going to require some research and some work. It is going to require a lot of testing. So you want to make sure that you are targeting the right demographic of people and that you have the right audiences, because if you don't, then people are not going to be interested in what you are actually showing them. So you need to study and understand well your targeted audience, so you can actually advertise your product to them specifically, so you can grow and increase your sales on your business. Next is content marketing. So what exactly is content marketing, and how does this differ from social media marketing? Well, simply put, content marketing is any type of content or any form of content that you are actually uploading from your website. So if you have a blog or an article, if you have a section for videos where your viewers can actually go on there to learn more about your about the service or a product you're offering, then that is considered as a concept marketing. And the best part is, if you are implementing the types of articles or blog into your website, then that is going to help with SEO. When you are writing these articles and blogs, chances are you are writing a tons of different keywords that you want to write. Now, the only thing you want to make sure is you are pretty much addressing the different pain points, so that way those points can rank on Google. So you can pretty much write an article or a blog to talk about the products that you are actually selling. For example, an ankle fracture pains. So you can pretty much talk about the causes and solution on how to treat that and share your products you are actually selling from your store, like maybe an ankle stabilizer or a medical walking boot. So these were just my top 5 marketing strategy to help you market your Shopify store. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, make sure to give me a big like, subscribe on my channel for more videos like this, and let me know what are your thoughts of this video down below on the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.